Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI assistant review. So what actually is AI assistant? Guys, AI assistant is a multiple AI tools in one single dashboard. Creator of this software AI assistant Anjani Kumar and Shabbir Khan. This software goes live on 15th of June 11 am EST. Right now I'm in the sales page of this software AI assistant. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information. Guys, this is my honest review, so please don't skip this video before watching everything that I'm going to show you right now about this tool AI assistant. And end of the video, guys, I'm going to show the magic, what type of tool will help you to generate more money and establish your business basically. And right now I'm just quickly introduce AI assistant tool features. Here is the features list of AI assistant tools. Okay, ads content generation. You will be able to generate ads content, YouTube content generation. You will be able to generate your YouTube channel content. Okay, image generation. You can also generate image, advanced image editor. Also, you can edit your image, audio to text conversion, unlimited code generation, social media writer, tweet generator, Instagram hashtag generator, Facebook post generator, Quora answers, LinkedIn post generator, AI generated image designer. Okay, take a look at what early users are saying. These all people are affiliate marketers, so they are not early users, guys. This is my honest opinion. Believe me, you can search Kundan Chaudhary. You can see the YouTube this person. And you can see Kalim Muhammad and the affiliate marketer, and the quality all are affiliate marketer, guys. Okay, so this is not honest opinion. Okay, and this software price is very mass. You know, the front end price $17, but OTO number 1 is AI assistant unlimited $37. OTO number 2 is AI assistant done for you $47. OTO number 3 AI assistant automation $97. They will charge you over $1,000 to purchase this one single software, but this is very basic software, guys. I'm going to show you why I claim this is very basic software. I'm going to show you everything. And OT number 4 is AI assistant traffic $147. You can imagine it, $147. Okay, I'm going to show you end of the video, guys, the magic, so stay tuned to see the magic. OT number 5 is AI assistant agency $147. OT number 6 AI assistant franchisee $147. OT number 7 AI assistant income stream $147. OT number 8 AI assistant white label $147. There are almost the sixth plan is $147. So they will kill your business and they will steal your money, guys. Okay, if you purchase this type of software, AI assistant or AI writing tools, okay, and this software launched on Warrior Plus marketplace, you know. And here is, you can see also the demo of this tool. I'm going to show you guys the members area of this tool, AI assistant. You know, this is the members area, guys. You know, this is the members area. Okay, here is this is the members area. This is very basic members area, and you never get good quality content using this tool. Okay, I'm going to show you the best alternative, this AI assistant tools that I am using right now. Okay, I'm just back here, my tools, Marmof. You can see the Marmof tool, Marmof. Marmof is a platform for AI powered content creation that enables users to quickly produce engaging text material of the highest caliber for a number of uses. Guys, this is the one-time payment. You can see the appsumo.com. You can see the lifetime deal. Consider the link, guys, link in my video description below. If you purchase this AI assistant tool, you will lose your money, but if you purchase this Marmof tool, you can save your money. Only $47 a lifetime deal. and here is, you can see the 3 codes is available, but the 3 codes, code number 3 is $147. But if you purchase this AI assistant tool, you can see OTA number 4 is AI assistant traffic, $147, $147. But if you purchase this Marmof, you can see the code number 3 is $147, and you will be able to generate 150,000 words every single month. I'm going to show all the features. At first, I'm going to show the inside the members area. So when you click here, just Marmof, you can see these tools. I'm just login members area. I'm using this tool, guys, and here's the all the templates. You can see instant long form article. You will be able to write instant long form article using this tool Marmof, and blog section writing, blog ideas and outline, blog intros, pros and cons, emails and bullet point answers, content rephrase, cold email writing, cover letter writing features, Facebook ad features, Google ad descriptions, keyword extractor, LinkedIn ads, Google ad headline. This is very much this is the best alternative of AI assistant, guys, that I am using this tool. That's why I am sharing with you. And product descriptions, Amazon product titles, YouTube hooks, YouTube ideas, Amazon product descriptions, Amazon product features, LinkedIn post, Facebook post, YouTube intros, Twitter tweets, Twitter threads, YouTube descriptions, Instagram captions, SEO meta descriptions, TikTok video script, TikTok video hooks, call to action, star story solution formula, SSCA formula, features advantage benefits formula. And I'm just quickly introduce all the features, guys. Okay, AIDA framework, interview questions, job description, Quora answers, what you need, guys. All the features you can see. Here is the set options. Just ask anything, just put your questions. Here is the paraphraser art. You can also generate your own images. Just put your prompt here, they will generate your image. Here is, you can see all your documents that I'm using this type of documents using this tool. And just open these documents. Okay, this documents is Twitter tweets. Okay, I'm using this one. You can see this one is a RoboMotion lifetime delay comprehensive overview. I'm just writing this review using this very simple software Marmof. This is one of the best software that I'm using, guys. Okay, I have already tested lots of AI writing tools, but I choose this one. I like it basically because this is very easy to use, and this software will provide the right content for you. Okay, and this software will provide 60 days money back guarantee, so you can use this software 60 days totally risk free, and they will provide 30 days money back guarantee, but they will never get you the full features if you purchase only $15 front end offer. You can purchase $147, $37, $147, then you can access all the features of this software AI assistant. But if you pay only one-time payment, $49, the lifetime deal, you will get all features above included. Here is the features, lifetime access to Marmof. You must redeem your course within 60 days purchase. All future basic plan updates, stack up to 3 courses. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you what are the purchasers are saying about this software Marmof. Okay, the customer review I'm going to show you also. Here is the 15,000 words per month, 50,000 words per month you will be able to generate if you use this basic plan. And 50 plus AI cases, 20 plus voice tones, blog post wizard tool. And premium plan is $98, 100,000 words per month you will be able to generate. And professional plan is one time versus $147 and 150,000 words per month, unlimited documents, 50 plus AI uses, cases, blog post wizard, complete a article rewriter, writing long form content, autosave, priority email support. This is the creator Manak Minasayan. And here is the review, guys. The purchaser review, the best tools. Here is the lots of information. He shared his experience using this tool, and almost all Versus are give 5-star reviews. You can see worth every penny. I was looking up and down for something so easy yet straightforward for my copywriting needs. I must admit that I first won this one a few times, but after reading the reviews and driving in, I'm impressed. Get this one now before it leaves AppSumo. Okay guys, here is the another verified purchases, absolutely worth it, because this is a legit software guys, not this AI assistant tools. Okay, don't miss this deal. This is absolutely worthy software, easy navigation, workflow, and quality outputs. Okay guys, honestly speaking, if you purchase this software Marmof through our link in my video description below, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this one. Okay, I'm just alarming you, I'm just alert you, because you never purchase this kind of software, because they will kill your business, they will lose your money. You will lose your money and they will steal your money basically, because this is not worthy software. This is very clean sales page, but not worthy guys. Okay, you can see error, and they never provide this type of tool, never provide quality content, but you will be able to generate quality content if you purchase this software Marmof. Believe me, you can test within 60 days. Okay, if you see any kind of error, if you see any kind of problems, if you are facing using this tool Marmof, you can comment on my video. Okay, and I will refund your money guys basically. Okay, and this is the one of the best tool that I am using. Okay, I'm using this tool. You can see lots of information, lots of article I have already generated. I'm using this article. Here is the how can I gain muscle without working out. I'm using the I'm creating this article also, and this is 100% copyright free article and professional article. You will be able to generate using this very simple tool that's called is Marmof. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate content, generate emails. You can all of these on the single dashboard Marmof, and the very limited time offer you can see on appsumo.com. So this is the right time to purchase it guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.